Hey y'all, hey, it's D. It's time for another side income budget. So if you want to see what I was able to make, stay tuned. Okay y'all, so let's get into this video. If you are new here, I share every month how much I make in side income, and currently my side income includes money I make from Amazon. So if you ever click an affiliate link down below from Amazon and you make a purchase, I will get a small commission. Thank you to the person who used my link over the last month or so. I should be able to cash out and get paid from them in the next 2 months. I also sell books on Amazon. Those are always linked down below. I use various apps to make money, which I will go over in the video. I have a Buy Me a Coffee shop and Etsy shop, and here on YouTube. So those are all the ways that I currently make side income. Alrighty, let's get into this budget. When I set up my budgets for my side income, I do not include the budgeted amount because I never know what I'm going to get. So everything that I fill out on this budgeting planner, which is available on my Buy Me a Coffee shop, will be in the actual column. So first, for Amazon, I was not able to make anything from Amazon. I will have some future payments coming from them. It takes them 30 to 60 days for them to process our payments. So I am expecting some money from some book sales and my Amazon affiliate link within the next 1 to 2 months. For apps was a very good month, and I was able to bring in money from Swag Bucks. There is a affiliate link down below. If you sign up, you will get some extra points, and so will I. I cashed out with Coin Out. I will insert a pic. I cashed out $5 of that, and that went strictly through my Zelle. I cashed out for My Points. There is an affiliate link down below. You do have to copy the full affiliate link for you to get points. That affiliate link is kind of tricky. Cashed out also with Surveys on the Go. I will insert a picture, and I always cash out with them pretty much monthly between $20 and $30. And y'all, that is all the apps that I was able to cash out with for the month of June. For the total month, I made a total of $74.09. I will insert a picture of my PayPal balance, which was $69.09, and the additional $5 difference was from Coin Out when that money is actually Zelled to my account. From Surveys on the Go, I did have a product review this month that got paid out, and the surveys were looking good this month, so I did good on that. Next, for my side income was my Buy Me a Coffee shop and my Etsy. So first of all, I want to thank Erica from Black and Blue for featuring my items on her video. I will link Erica down below. She did do an unboxing of some items that I sent her, and that brought extra traffic to my Etsy mostly. And I want to thank y'all who went out there and supported me on my Buy Me a Coffee and or my Etsy shop. It is greatly appreciated. So for Buy Me a Coffee, I was able to bring in $9.50. Etsy, I was able to bring $8.90. That might not seem like a lot to y'all, but it is to me. So thank y'all. So let's see how much I was able to bring in, and this is just the cash equivalents. In a little bit, I will be sharing how much I was able to bring in with gift cards from the apps. So I do cash in all the cash equivalents to my PayPal account, and if they don't have PayPal or Zelle, I use those gift cards option and I cash it out with Amazon. So let's see how much I will be budgeting for today. $74.09 plus 9.50 plus 8.90 equals a total of $92.49. Y'all better get on these apps. Links are below if they have affiliate link. If you ever have any questions, just let me know. Now we'll be getting into the bill section. Now I am changing up the way I'm allocating my money starting in June through the end of the year. Most likely I'm going back to what I usually do, and I usually put some money in each category of my budget. I haven't been doing that in the past because money has been really tight, but I need to beef up some of my savings again. So we're just going to add what I can add. For my mortgage, I will be allocating a total of $15, and this is a extra principal payment on my mortgage. So stay tuned for my mortgage payout video that will be coming up after this video, probably the second week in July. And for utilities, I will be putting a total of $10 towards my utilities. Now this $10 will help me with the overage of the bill that I received in June. It was higher than I budgeted, and I'm trying to offset that a little bit in my July bill. I do have a rolling credit with my utility company, but it is now decreased below the amount that I usually like to have. So that's a real easy to add up. That's $25. I started off with a total of $92.49 to budget, and I'm going to subtract this $25, and that leaves me a total of $67.49. I will be getting into my expenses section, and I will not be allocating anything towards taxes from IRS, and I put a big chunk of that money into my taxes sinking fund, so I should be good for that for a while. And for the buffer, which is something I'm adding because the checking account is getting kind of low, so I need to add some money to it, and I'll be adding a total $8.56 to that, and that is it for this section. So this section equals $8.56. Going to subtract that from what I had left. 8.56 equals a total of $58.93 that is left to budget. And next I'll be getting into my favorite section on my budget planner, which is the savings and invest. So this is the section that is really seeing more changes, and I'm allocating money to each one of these categories going forward as much as I can, even if it's just some cents or what have you, but everything needs to get something from here on out. So renovation, car repairs, and treat yourself. Those are three of my special funds, i.e. sinking funds. It's D. This is where I house all of the money that I make with my brand to help pay for expenses to support my brand. Challenges is saving challenges, and investments is the investments that I do for the stock market and what have you. Today, renovation will be getting a total of $5.23. Car repairs will be getting a total of $10. Treat yourself will be getting a total of 30 cents, and this is the change I had left over after allocating funds. So you see, that's just getting 30 cents, but that's gonna add up eventually. It's D is getting all the money I made from Buy Me Coffee and Etsy, and that is a total of $18.40. Saving challenges will be getting a total of $15, and investing will be getting a total of $10. So all this right here should equal up to this $58.93. So I'm just going to subtract it as I go down. So minus is 5.23, minus 10, minus 30 cents, minus 18.40, minus 15, minus 10. So yeah, that is a zero-based budget, and that is the way I prefer to budget. $8.93 that I had left over, and that gave me the zero-based budget, which I just showed y'all. Zero-based budgeting does not mean you do not have money in your checking account or your savings account or what have you. It just means that you allocate all of your funds that you do receive within that pay period. So I know some people get confused, but I do have a buffer in both of the checking accounts that I have. And yeah, y'all, that helps me cover expenses that are more than what I expected and expenses that maybe came up. Now I will be making sure that I do have a zero-based budget in this breakdown section right here. So the amount that I'm budgeting for was the $92.49. Okay, my bills section got a total of $25. My expenses section got a total of $8.56, and my savings investing was a total of $58.93. So this is another way to double check to make sure I did the zero-based budget right. So we're going to take my income, which is $92.49, and subtract these. And y'all, $0. So all of my money has been allocated correctly. And what I do after I've filmed this video, I will go out here and make the money moves that I just allocated right here. And yeah, y'all, that is how I do my budgeting every month for all the income that I receive. Once I receive all the income I am expected, I go ahead and close out my budget and allocate the funds to where they need to go. For the total amount of money I made with apps, including the cash and gift cards, I made a total of, as I stated, $74.09 in cash, and in gift cards I cashed out with Amazon panel. They are no longer accepting people to enroll in the program, and Online Insights, you have to be invited to be in that program. I also cashed out with gift cards with Shopkicks, and I think that is it for all the gift cards. But with everything that I was able to make with cash and gift cards, it totaled up to $105.19. So let's take that 105.19 minus the 74.09. So I made a total of $31.10 worth of gift cards. Y'all, this stuff adds up, and I use these gift cards from Amazon to buy things that I want and or need. Lastly, I will be going over my credit card rewards, and I will insert a pic for credit card rewards for the whole year. Thus far, I have got a total of $69.67. So if you are new here, I will be using these credit card rewards to help me pay for Christmas presents and some late birthdays possibly that arrive in late October and December. So what I started doing last year was saving up my cash rewards instead of using them throughout the year, and I did really like that. Last year I was able to pay for my baby nephew's birthday gifts because his birthday is in November. I paid for his Christmas gifts. I paid for my big boy nephew Christmas gifts, and about 3 other people Christmas gifts just with my credit card rewards. Now I don't go all out for Christmas. I give them usually a sentimental item. Outside of the nephews, they get toys or whatever, so they get whatever they want. Most of my Christmas money goes to my nephews. So I don't spend a lot of money, but I give gifts that are meaningful to the person that I'm giving them to, if that makes any sense. So you don't always have to go ball out on these different occasions. You can just, you know, if you have to scale back, just give them something you know they would enjoy, instead of giving them like 3, you know, random items. Just give them one item that you know that they really would like, and that's the way you can save money. I don't have a lot of people that I buy for, and on my channel you won't see me saving for holiday particular savings. So I see a lot of people who saving up for Christmas. I don't do that. I have one special fund called gifts, and all of the gifts that I give throughout the year comes from that fund, and that's just how I do it. I just like to have my life streamlined. Y'all, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will have more than usual videos coming up in here July because it is the end of the quarter. So it will possibly be 1 or 2 bonus videos that you don't want to miss. Y'all, don't forget to make the money, but don't let the money make you. And if you made it to the end of the video, let me know if you are saving for Christmas. Yes or no. Let me know. All right, y'all. Bye.